Okay, guys, cannot believe I'm doing this, but today I'm doing some self-care and going to try a new way to get my coffee in. That's right, I'm going to try a coffee scrub. I may or may not post this depending on how it goes. I'm not really sure. It's something. But apparently you scrub it on, hop in the shower, scrub it on, wait like 5 to 6 minutes or so, hop in, turn the water on, scrub it all off, and it's supposed to leave you nice, smooth, and feeling really good. Hopefully that's how it goes. Okay, it says to, I guess you put it in your hand and rub it in circular motions. That's what I'm gonna try to do. Set that right there. Now, shut the door so nothing gets all over the floor and the dog won't eat it. Right. Put some like that. Like that. Smells delicious. Okay, going for the chest, belly. I'll get my legs in a little bit. Maybe I should add water so it does better, I'm guessing. I can try that, but right now I'm making a huge mess in the shower because I have no clue what I'm doing. Okay. Yeah, this definitely works better with a little bit of water added. Like I said, never done it before. And I know I keep saying it over and over, but I'm sorry. That's how I am. Doing my legs now. All right, redoing my arms with a little bit of water. A little too much water. One thing about it, the bathroom's gonna smell good. Yeah, big difference. Don't think I'm gonna use it on my face because I'm weird about stuff like that, but I'm gonna let this sit for a little bit, for like 5 to 6 minutes, and see how it does whenever I go to shower off. All right, 6 minutes has passed. I'm a little itchy from the dead skin, so time to turn the shower on and see what happens, Captain. That was cold at first. Good Lord. Holy moly. That is freaking soft. Good Lord, have mercy, that is soft. Wow. That's amazing, y'all. It truly is. That did wonders. Wow. That is really nice. Now I got coffee all over my shower. See here. Then I'm get water and go down a little more. Wow, really good difference. Yeah, definitely want to check in on trying that, y'all. Oh my god, skin feels nice and smooth. Wow, feels really good. Yeah, I can tell a difference back here versus up here. Huge difference. Yeah, y'all definitely try it. Y'all just got out the shower and let me tell you, my skin feels absolutely amazing. Oh my god. Nice and moisturized. And you smell like coffee. I mean, what's not to love about it? I will probably be using this more often. Like weekends or something like that. That was awesome. Just standing around for 6 minutes, not too big fan of them. I like to get in, get out, get my shower done and over with. But as soon as you start washing it off, everything feels so much better. It is awesome. So y'all, thank y'all for watching. Remember, hit that like, share, and subscribe button. I appreciate it.